Well, we have a call for cooling on an older Honeywell stat, but we don't have our AC coming on. And so we've checked for signal at 24 volts and we've got nothing. So we're gonna go climb up into the attic, check the furnace. We have the doors off of the furnace, no power to our board, but we do have power to the unit. We're checking our transformer and we've got nothing through it. We changed out our transformer, and as soon as we put power to it, we blew our 5 amp furnace fuse, so we have a short. So we're going to put in our resettable 3 amp fuse to test it. We disconnected our low voltage wires to isolate out our contactor, and that'll help us discover that that's what's causing the issue.